Hello friends, so I welcome you all in the lecture series of Basics of Python. This is lecture number 19. Today we will see how we can manipulate the strings. So we all know that string is a data type in Python. So basically strings are nothing but the chain of character which is included in a single quotation or double quotation. For example, when we write hello world, so we write in single quotation or Python programming or so on. If you want to write multiple lines, then in that case we have to write a triple quotation. Okay, so now let's see how we can manipulate the strings. So let's go to the Google Colab. Okay, so let's see how we can create a string. So let me write my underscore string is equal to my underscore string is equal to Python. So, okay, so this is how you can create a very string. Okay, so this is how you can create a string. Now let's understand how we can index the string. Okay, so here we have word Python, right? Here we have word Python, Python. So P has index value 0, Y has index value 1, T has index value 2, and so on. So this is how you can index the string value. Okay, now let's see how we can access the string. For that I have to write print my underscore string, and I have to write its index value. So let me write index value 0. So it will be printing P only. Okay, so here I should write string. So it will be printing P only. Why? Because the index value 0, index value of P is 0. If I write 2 over here, in that case it will print T. So here you can see T, it is printing. Now let's see how we can slice the string. Okay, so let me write print my underscore string. So if I write 0 is to 3, so in this case it will print P, Y and T. Okay, so it is written P, Y and T. But why? Because the initial value represent the initial index value of the string, and this last value is the string value which is not included. So here you can see the P, Y and T. So this is how you can index and slice the string. Okay, now let's understand how we can concatenate and repeat some string. Okay, for that I have to create one string. Let me write uh, uh, my string uh, let me write my string I'm writing my name. Okay, and let me create another string, my string 2 is equal to my name is Mahesh. Okay, and I want to concatenate these two strings. So how I can do this? So I just have to write print my string, and I have to use the operator plus and my string 2. Okay, so this is how we can concatenate two strings. So let's see the output. Okay, my, so I forget to write T. Okay, so here you can see my name is Mahesh. So this is how you can concatenate any particular string. Okay, if I want to repeat some string, in that case I can do in this way. So I have to write print my string. Okay, print my string multiply by 3 times. Okay, I want this my name 3 times, so in that case I have to use this operator. Okay, so let's see the output. Here you can see my name, my name and my name. Here it is printing 3 times. So you can concatenate and repeat by this way. For the concatenation you have to use this operator plus operator, and for repetition you have to use this multiplication operator. Okay, now let's understand some common string operators like uppercase, lowercase or capitalize or title. For that I am creating one variable. Let's say my name. Okay, and my name I have written Mahesh. Okay, if I want to uppercase, okay, my name should be in uppercase. In that case, how can I write? So I have to write print my name dot upper. So let me run this one. So here you can see all the letters are in uppercase. Similarly, if I want in lowercase, so I have to write lower. Here you can see all the letters are in lowercase. So if I want to capitalize my name, so in that case I have to write word capitalized. So here you can see the first letter is capitalized. Okay, now if I want to make my string as a title, so in that case I can write TITLE. So let me run this one. So you can see it is written in the title form. Okay, so this is how you can convert string in uppercase, lowercase, or capitalized case. Okay, now let's see how we can strip, else strip, and write strip. Okay, so let me create one variable. Okay, let me create one variable, my name, and I'm writing in this way. So here I'm giving space, after that I'm writing my name, and again I'm giving space. So there is white space is present in my name. Okay, if I want to remove my this white space, so how can I remove? For that I have to write print my name. Okay, print my name dot strip. Okay, dot strip. So let me run this one. Here you can see all the white spaces are removed. If I comment this one and run again, just a second. Print my name. Here you can see the white spaces are present in this printed over here, but if I use strip, in that case it will remove the white spaces. Here you can see the white spaces are removed. Similarly, if there is space, is there space is present in your string left side, so in that case you can use else strip. Okay, you have to just write else strip. So you can see it remove the space from the left side. Similarly, for right side also you have to just write right space. Okay, if there is space. Okay, so here this is how you can remove the white space, left space, or right space. Okay, okay, now let's see how we can use find and replace to find particular index value of string, and how we can replace particular string by another string. Okay, so let me create one variable, my name. Okay, and my name is Mahesh Das. Okay, and if I want to find the index value of Das, okay, so in that case how can I do this? So I will write print my name dot find Das. Okay, so let me run this one. Here you can see its string value is 7. Similarly, if I want to print the string value of sh, okay, let's suppose if I want to print the, it is 4. Okay, 0 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, so this is how you can find the index value of particular string. Okay, now if I want to replace something, okay, if I want to replace, so in that case how can I do this? So I have to just write print my name. Okay, to just write print my name dot replace, okay, Das, comma Moria. Okay, so if I want to replace Das with the Moria, so I have to just write the string name. After that I have to write this keyword replace and the word which I want to replace. Okay, so you can see Mahesh Moria. Now it is not printing Das. It is, the Das is replaced by Moria. So this is how you can use find and replace to replace particular string or to find the index value of particular string. Okay, now let's see how we can split or join the string. Okay, how we can split or join the string. Okay, let's say how we can use split to split the word. Let's suppose my variable is my name is equal to Mahesh. Okay, and if I write comma over here and if I write Das. Okay, now I want to split my name, okay, into two. So how can I do this? For that I have to write print my name dot split. So I want to split on the basis of comma. Okay, so for that I have to write comma over here. So let's see the output. Here you can see it has split the two strings. Okay, so initially it was only Mahesh comma Das, but it has split the string into Mahesh and Das. Okay, now let's see how we can join the string. So join this string is basically used to join the string values or the string element in the list. Okay, list is equal to, and these are the elements from the list. First element is I, second element is like, and third element is fruits. Okay, so these are the element from my list and I want to join my list. Okay, so for that I have to just write print dot join line my list. Okay, so this is how you can join the element of your list. Okay, so here you can see I like fruits. Okay, if I write space over here, now let's see what will be the output. So you can see the space over here. Similarly, if you want to create date of birth, something like 2/12/2000, I want to join this date of birth by using slash or dash. So let's see the output. So you can see the date of birth in the form of dash. Okay, you can use slash also. Okay, so this is how you can join the string. Okay, now let's see how we can use escape characters. Okay, for example, if I write print hello world, okay, so it will print hello world. Okay, it will print hello world. But now if I want to print this word on the next line, so for that I can write \n. Okay, so let's see the output. So here you can see the word is written on the next line. Okay, similarly if I want to create a tab in my string, so in that case how can I write? Just \and t. So you can see tab in these two words. Okay, similarly you can use a backslash to write the backslash. Okay, so for that you have to just write double backslash over here, so you can print the backslash in your string. Okay, so this is how you can print the backslash in your string by just writing double backslash. And last one is double quote. Okay, so if I want to write something in double quote, okay, if I want to write something in double quote, so I can write in this way, my name is, and I want to write my name in double quotation. Okay, so I have to just write backslash quotation mark Sandesh. Okay, and again backslash quotation mark. Okay, so this is how I can include the quotation mark in my string. Okay, so this is how you can manipulate your string. If you want to create multiple line string, okay, multiple line string, so for that you can use something like this. So print triple quotation mark, and you can write whatever you want. My name is and something. You can write, just you have to write in triple quotation, and you can use multiple line string. Okay, you can use multiple line string. Okay, so so today we learn about how to manipulate the string. In upcoming videos we will learn about how to handle the files and object oriented programming. Thank you.